Good morning, guys. I'm sorry my video had cut off. I'm so sorry about that. But I didn't have enough space on my phone, so I didn't know. So I'm trying to get a better phone, y'all, better equipment. I'm working with a little Android phone. Y'all, if my shoulder looks swollen, it's because it is. All this is sore. But I've been trying to get it back together so I can go for when I go back to work. But already tried the 2025, y'all. Now I'm gonna try the 2026. I did not swallow, y'all. I did not. This is the 2026. 2026. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love each and every one of y'all. I'm sorry I have not been on here, but it has been hectic. Like I said, we have had dangerous shootings going on. Thank God no one at the job got hit, but someone in front of the job, two people in front of that was in front of the job got hit. And the bullet did come through one of our windows, and they had to repair our windows. So actually two bullets hit, and one came through the window, and the other one didn't pierce the window. So, I thank God none of us got hit that works there. But it's on the news if you all want to go see Fiesta on Cullen in Houston, Texas. You'll see that's where the incident happened. 2026, y'all. Okay, y'all. Now, my opinion, to each his own though, and y'all try out 2025 and 2026 and let me know what y'all think. But my opinion is they are very, very similar. This one has just a pinch of more freshness to me. This is to me. It has a pinch more freshness, fresher than 2026 is fresher than 2025. That's my opinion. Like I say, they are very similar. You got to really taste, concentrate and taste. For real. Like I said, I'm going to scent some of it because I would like some scented starch. So I'm going to scent some of it into this here soap box. Okay, the bottom half is 2026, and I'm gonna make the top half 2025. That's how I'm gonna do that. So my next video will be scented starch, and I'm going to go, I'm out today, so y'all might as well get it today. Might well. I don't know if it should be scented that quick. I don't know if it scents that fast. I don't know. But I have not been live with y'all in so long. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna close that up. Let's sit that on now. Okay. Even if it ain't the same